Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. And so today we got a Grand Design Solitude. And if you haven't already joined our group, it's Grand Design RV Owners in the RV Shop with Dustin. This particular customer's got a 2016 and it's actually come in for not so much what we refer to as frame flex, but another new term that we call pinbox rise. And so in some previous videos, this pinbox was actually lifting straight up. And if I remember right, it was going somewhere between like 5/8 to 3/4 of an inch higher up inside the unit itself. So sometime within the next few days or later this week, we're going to be removing the whole underneath nose, see what's going on up underneath there. And then depending on what we find, we may have to pull the front cap as well. So then we can get in there and see if there's anything that's immediately broke or coming loose, if there's anything that's, fractured or whatnot. So we're going to go from there and see what we can find. We don't know if it's anything related to the different style of pinbox that was put on or if there's some other kind of issue in there. But anyway, stay tuned for more, and we hope you enjoyed these videos. Thanks so much for watching.